Okay, for the second part of this lesson, I was able to get everything in the first video, but I really wanted to do one more question so you could kind of see. This question is very similar to one on your homework, but it's slightly different, so the answers won't be the same. So let's take this set of data, 11, 12, 9, 10, 8, 14, 7, 13. So first, I order the data. Okay, look at this set of data. What do you think the minimum and the maximum are? The minimum is 7 and the maximum is 14. So 7 is the minimum, 14 is the maximum. Yay! We could also go ahead and figure out the range. The range is the maximum minus the minimum. So 14 minus 7 is 7. Boom! Killing it. Okay, so now let's look at first quartile. Before I can ever figure out the first quartile, I have to figure out the second quartile, aka the median. So let's look at this. This has so many numbers. So I have to look at it this way. So we go wait, 1, 2. I'm really bad at finding middles, y'all, FYI. But what ends up happening with this set of data is that we have 2 middles. Do you remember what we do to find the median of those? We take the average. So it would be 10.5. Now give me 2 seconds because that just opens up a question in my noggin. And yep, okay. So what do we do to find the lower half? Now here's why I wanted to show you this problem. Do you remember in the first problem how we took that median and we said, that's a unicorn. You don't even think about it when you think of the lower half. Well, the median is that number. And so now 10 is below that median, so we actually take it in. When I look at the first quartile, I look at these 4 numbers. Can you see those 4 numbers? So now the median is between 8 and 9. And so I take the average of 8 and 9, and it's 8.5. That is first quartile. Okay? And when I look at the upper quartile, again, 10.5 is the unicorn that I don't touch. So I look at 11, 12, 13, and 14. And the median of that is between 12 and 13, also known as 12.5. See that? When I'm finding the inner quartile range, I take Q3, quartile 3, third quartile minus first quartile gives me 4. And then are there any outliers? Is there anything that's just way high, way low? No, everybody's pretty much the same, so there's none. Remember, we don't put 0, we put none, because 0 and none are very different. So let's talk for 2 seconds, just so I know that you know, that I know, that you know, whoa, what you're doing. I think my mind just went for a second. All right, so let's say I had a set of data like this. So when I find the median, nope, let's add one more. When I find the median of this set of data, this is the median. This is Q2. It's nice and pretty. So when I go to find the first quartile, I don't even take that into consideration. It's just 7, 9, and 11. Well, if this is Q2, 9 is Q1. And then I cover that up and I look and 14 is Q3. That's the median. Now, let's take a set of data where it's even, where you don't have that nice pretty center. Okay, this set of data where there's an even number, okay, the median is here, so it's 11.5. So when I go to find the first quartile, this is my unicorn, so I do take the 11 into consideration. Wait. Yes. Yes. In this case. What is happening? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. My mind just got blown a little bit. So, I may need to watch the earlier part. I may have said something wrong. I'll figure it out. If I posted this video, I was right. But anyway, this is the median. 9 is the Q1. And 13 is the Q3. I hope that helps. I hope I didn't just blow your mind in the last few seconds. But if I posted this, that means just ignore my moment of lapse and just keep going. Hope you do well. Have a great day. Bye.